How y'all doing today? Well, I'm gonna make something for you. It's called Hillbilly Stew. Now I did cheat a little bit. I looked online and got it. And but hey, it's what you do these days. Technology makes it easy. But anyway, so I got my little apron on. Yes, Lily, we're cooking you up something to eat here. I got my hamburger. The recipe calls for a pound and a half of lean hamburger. I have grass-fed beef again, like I did with my other homemade chili, my almost Wendy's chili that the wife said was fabulous. Thank you, sweetie. So anyway, I'm gonna do a little something here. And my assistant, I have a fine assistant, chopped me up some potatoes there. We had a big onion. The onion was about a pound. It's a sweet onion, so we only use half an onion because this recipe calls 6 servings. So you use 3 cans of what is this? The 15 ounce? 15 and a half ounce, I think is what they are. Bush black-eyed peas, 4 cups of beef broth, and some carrots. I'll just use a handful. It says 1 carrot. Hamburger going here, so I gotta. Oh man, that's hot.
The assistant forgot the stalk of celery.
Well, that's okay. We forget things too.
Don't catch my mitten on fire.
No. Hanging way down there, wasn't it? That's why I kind of like a pot with a handle so I can hold it. I make do.
We use this pot for everything,
Just give me the
folks.
bigger bat. I could become Chef Bob. Who knows? Oh, it's just for fun. It takes a minute. Let me cut the heat off. Let me get this one in here. That's a cold hamburger. We've had it out of the freezer all morning. I wasn't sure if I was going to make this today or tomorrow. We got a cold front coming down. Hey, boo-boo. You watching every move Daddy's making, ain't you?
Look at her watching him.
My daddy is up to something.
So how come your assistant was cutting up all your veggies and whatnot?
Oh, I was watching some football. So, you know, I like my football. I like all kinds of stuff. I mean,
He
SEC.
likes,
But
yeah.
SEC,
College football is what he likes.
I like my college football. I'm browning the hamburger now, so just kind of waiting for it to cook up. It's a pound and a half, so it takes a little bit of time. And my assistant got my salt and my paprika, smoked paprika. Paprika, is that how you say it?
Paprika.
The black pepper goes in here. But we'll get all that here in a minute.
And I also cut up his celery.
Yeah. And this hat I have on, some people do ask me about my hats from time to time. This is a SpaceX hat. This is from my daughter and my son-in-law who work for SpaceX. They got me this a year ago. Maybe a little over a year ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we were in California.
Right.
At the resort there, camping, and visiting with them out there. Had a great time, by the way. Hey Beth. Hey James. Hey boys. Pretty brown there. Got some right there. It's not quite there, but a little bit more, and it'll be there, I think.
Sweet.
I don't want to overdo it. No grease and no water. This lean beef is really good. Grass fed, folks. That's what you want. Unless, I mean, like I say, unless you got some buffalo. When we're out west, we try to get as much buffalo as we can. You know, you got to balance your budget out, what you can afford, and you know, everything. It's different for everybody. I'd rather splurge on some good ground buffalo than I would just go out to eat somewhere.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. What you want? What is it? you smell that, don't you?
I want some, Daddy.
We'll save you a little bite here. I gotta get it cooked up good, sweetie. Okay. So
That's where she stands when you're cooking. She's on the other side of him. There she is. Tell him, hey, boo.
Daddy, I want some. Daddy, I'm down here. I know you're down there. You always do get something. No matter how we do what we're cooking, she's always getting something.
Oh yeah.
She can't have no bird though. She's allergic to it. No kind of eggs, no poultry.
Nope.
It's just we found that out by accident. Sharon was cooking here one morning. A little egg went on the floor, and she ate that little piece of egg. It went on the floor, and 15 seconds she started having a seizure. That's how we found out. We told the doctors about it. They couldn't believe it. So dogs have allergies too, I guess. Okay, I think that's good on that there, sweetie. So I don't want to overdo it. The beef broth goes in. Should I shake this up? Do you shake up beef broth?
Shake it up.
Cause I don't know if it's separate. I don't know about no beef broth. I'm ready to eat this now, boo-boo.
4 cups of beef broth. 1.5 pounds of hamburger browned. And now he's going to add the rest of the ingredients. You do not drain the beans.
No, don't drain the beans. Man, them some pretty black-eyed peas.
Personally,
they smell good.
I would have sauteed the celery and the onions with the ground beef, but the recipe says just dump everything in.
Yep, that's what it says. I have a wonderful system. Did a better job on doing the cans than I did the other day. Here's the potatoes.
That's 3 medium-sized potatoes, 1 stalk of celery, and a half of a large onion or 1 small onion. Don't forget your handful of carrots.
I'm just going to kind of mix it up here a little bit. There we go. Let's make a big old pot. Oh, handful of carrot.
Let's see how much he puts in there. That's about good. Yep. I mean, you can put in less or more. No, this is called hillbilly chili, folks.
And I'm going hillbilly. Okay.
Now you got to do your
I gotta have
salt. Yep.
Teaspoon of salt. It's like it's. I won't fill it all the way full. Okay.
There you go.
1 teaspoon of salt. Okay.
A half teaspoon of black pepper. I would not pour that over the thing. I would take the lid off and get it. Yeah. Get it that way.
So this only goes down. I'll just do half of this one.
Right. There you go.
I like pepper, so a little. I'll stick with the recipe.
Thank you.
All right.
3/4 of a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Y'all, I use this and sprinkle it on my deviled eggs. It is so good.
Oh, it does smell smoked.
Yes.
Man.
It's awesome. Yeah, when you're in humid climate, your stuff seems to harden up. Okay. Now it says that you need to put it on, you bring it to a boil,
okay,
and then you reduce the heat
and let it simmer.
And let it simmer for 35 minutes. Or until the potatoes are fork tender. Let's see what this looks like, people.
Hillbilly stew there. Looks pretty good. Got some black-eyed peas.
Oh man, it does look good.
I would have rather had my carrots diced though.
Well, it's all good.
Make it look like it's, you know, not fancy. But
It is fancy.
Yeah, well.
You gotta give a little bit of fancy to Hillbilly.
No, you don't either. Hillbilly's hillbilly. Okay, a little bit. You want some of this? Okay, where you at? Come on here. Sit down for Daddy.
Sit, Lily.
Give me 5. Give me Paw. No, good girl. There you go. There you go. There's your little snack. There you go. All right. All right. That's it. Got to wait for it to boil up. And,
Okay.
We'll let y'all know how it tastes.
All right. I'm excited.
Okay.
He's going to test his own stew.
Yeah, that's what you got to do. It's a little flimsy bowl. Okay. It's hot right now. Looks good. I guess you could do the same thing with beef stew. Some beef stew. Beef.
And I was thinking you could probably add some bacon to this.
There's many ways you could go.
Oh,
with it, yeah.
sure enough. What's that mean?
It's good.
Is it good enough for me to eat?
Well, yeah, it's fine. It's really good. You can taste the black-eyed peas.
Oh, yeah.
But the beef broth pulls that away a little bit, tames it down.
Gotcha.
You know, we like it tamed.
Uh-huh. Awesome.
Very good. Okay.
Now, give us a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Give us a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe.
That's it. Subscribe to the channel.
All right.
We're having fun. Thanks, guys.
Bye.